Hello, my name is Alexa Ciclin Mako. I'm from BSIT 31A1 and this is my pre-final exam. Today, I'll guide you through the complete demonstration of a layered architecture implemented in a .NET 8 MVC project with a individual authentication. This is a approach that follows industry best practices for building scalable, maintainable, and web applications. So first, if we open our Solution Explorer, we can see that our project is organized with three layers, including the layered demo data, layered demo services, and layered demo web. Um, so first is the layered demo service. The layered demos, the layered demo data pala. So first is the layered demo data. This is the foundation of our application. It contains the entity models, database context, and data access logic. This layer is responsible for interacting with the databases and handling related operations. Next is the layered demo services. Next is the layered demo services, the business logic layer. Here we define the service interfaces, implement business operations, and use data transfer objects or DTOs to ensure clean data exchange between layers. This separation allows us to protect business rules from being entangled with database access or presentation logic. Next is the layered demo web. This layer contains controllers, views, and UI logic. It's in charge of handling incoming HTTP requests, calling service methods, and returning responses to the user. These layered setups give us maintainability, testability, and separation of concerns, making it easy to work on each layer independently adapt and adapt the application as requirements evolve. So here in the layer demo data, we can wait lang. So here inside the layer demo data, we can see our product CS. The product CS is inside the folder of the models. This is a simple POCO or plain old CLR object with validation attributes. Notice the concise design. Each property is clearly defined with rules to enforce data integrity. Next is the next is the application DB context, the bridge between the application and the database. So as you can see with the code, inheriting from the identity DB context, we gain authentication features out of the box. This layer uses entity framework core with SQLite for development, and it can be easily switched to other database providers. Seed data is included to help quickly test the application, and migration support makes updating the database straightforward. So the key points for these layers is entity framework, simple, clear, and definitions, database migrations and seeding, and flexible database provider. So next is inside the layer demo services. So inside the So inside the layer demo services, we have a folder called DTOs, and inside it we have the product DTOs. Product DTOs helps control the data flowing between layers. So example is this code. Separating DTOs for creation and updating allow flexibility and stronger security by controlling exactly what data can be input and returned. This approach makes testing and swapping implementations much easier. Next is the product service. Next is the product service. This approach makes the testing, swapping implementations much easier, including the EF Core and SQLite. And next is in and inside the in-memory product service.cs, implementations and demonstrating how different data sources can be swapped without affecting the presentation layer. Key points for this is DTOs for clean data contracts, interfaces for abstraction and flexibility, multiple service implementations for testing and adaptability. So next is inside the layered demo web, we can see the controller. Inside layer demo web, we have a folder called controllers, and inside controllers, we have two, which is the home controllers and product controller. So inside the product controller, here dependency injections ensure that the controller only relies on the service interface, not its specific implementation. This makes testing easier and keeps our architecture clean. Next is the so in views we have the folder called the all the resource, which includes the CRUD, which is the create, edit, details, and delete. All all views use all views use Bootstrap for a modern responsive design with proper validation built in. So this is my index CSHTML. This is the delete CSHTML. This is the edit, and we also have the detail CSHTML. So next is the so next is have the dependencies inside the wait. So inside the program CS, we have dependency injection. Dependency injection is configured in program CS. Here's the configuration, which you can see inside of my code. And by simply toggling with a single line of code, we can switch between different service implementations without touching the controllers. This flexibility is a major advantage of layered architecture. The benefits of this is easy testing with mock or in-memory implementations with coupling coupling between layers, then fast switching of implementations. Once you code, so once you run the code, makikita niyo yung website which I called Welcome to Time Elegance by Alexa Ciclimaco. Discover timeless luxury and your perfect watch. This website contains about all the watches, and here you can see the details and the price inclusions. And after that, you have this is the home page. Then we have the privacy and on the other side, you can register so that you can have an account or you can log in if you already have an account. The decode, we can run our migrations here in the package manager console. we can run it by using .NET EF migrations and initial create, project layer demo data, startup project layer demo web, .NET EF database update project, layer demo data, startup project layer demo web. After that, we can launch the application, or we can also use it by, or we can also run that using the CMD, but it's more flexible on running it inside the Visual Studio, so that you will not open another accounts or another apps. So yeah, for the conclusion, this layer demo project is a practical demonstration of building a clean, maintainable, and scalable web application using .NET 8 MVC with individual authentication. Um, this is Hub layered architecture organizes projects for maintainability, dependency injections enables flexibility and testing, then DTOs defining clear data contracts, and entity framework with identity provides data and authentication features. This structure can also scale from small demos to full applications. You can use this project as a blueprint for your own system. Thank you for watching, and thank you for listening. Again, my name is Alexa C. Climaco, and this is my pre-final examination.